Hello everybody, in front of me I have Subnautica, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the speed of subtitles in this game, so enjoy watching! At first, start by opening the options. In first tab General we have a Subtitles tab. In here we have a speed charge per second, so you can see on the preview how it works. If I increase this, then text will be increased also, the text speed. So I would leave it on the 10 amount. I think this is a good, and let me read in peace all of the letters, and the tempo is very good. If you want to speed it up, then you can do it in here. So that would be all for this video. Leave a like, comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!